In this video, we're going to look at consolidating the quiz and teaching portion of a Fast and Curious protocol to one Quizizz lesson. We're going to start by creating a lesson and searching for our topic. I'm going to leverage the Quizizz library here and find pre-made lessons and just start with one of those. So I'm going to go ahead and add all and go ahead and save this lesson. Now I'm going to edit this lesson because this is where the magic happens. So go ahead and select Add a New Slide and choose Web Page Link. You're going to go ahead and type the URL that you see on the screen. What this will do is this will embed the joinmyquiz.com webpage as a slide on the student's view. Duplicate that as many times as you think you're going to run the quiz part of the Fast and Curious EduProtocol. On day one, you run it twice. Now let's say you really want to get fancy. Add another slide with a web page link. And if you're a Google Slides user, you can keep your Fast and Curious class accuracy score on a slide. And we can app smash that into the lesson. So you can share that and make it anyone with the link can view. Copy the link, add that link into your lesson. And now, once you do that, the students will see that slideshow on their screens, and you can also type in the score after the completion of that quiz round. Duplicate it to put it anywhere you want on the lesson as many times as you want. Now it's time to make our Fast and Curious quiz. You may actually have one already made, but I'm going to go ahead and search the Quizizz library and get started on one. I'll teleport questions real quick from the library and save that quiz so that it's ready to use for my students. With my quiz and my lesson created, I am ready to go. All right, it's day one of Fast and Curious. I've got my lesson open and I am ready to start a live lesson. You'll also want to click on your library and open your Fast and Curious quiz in a new tab. All right, let's get ready to go with a side-by-side of the teacher screen and student screen. The students are starting on joinmyquiz.com and they will be typing in your lesson, your live lesson code so that they can join the lesson. They'll insert their name and you will start the lesson. Notice how my student screen on the left is showing the same thing as my teacher screen on the right. I will switch tabs now and open up my Fast and Curious quiz. As I work through these steps, notice how the student's screen has not changed because I have not changed it on the lesson. When I'm open my quiz, I want to go ahead and start the quiz as a live quiz. And for Fast and Curious, it's best to use classic mode. So now on my teacher screen, I have a game code for the first round of our Fast and Curious quiz. And the students, without any content, dive right in, type in the code, and get ready to take that first round. With your class accuracy score for round one in hand, we are ready to move students to the next slide. We do have a bit of a crunched view here, so I'm going to move the slide a little differently, bringing us to our Google slide where I can go ahead and put in the score of 67% accuracy. Students see it on their screen too. They cannot edit it. Content for Fast and Curious protocol. We're doing some remediation. I'm doing some teaching. And now we're ready for round two to see if the students can improve their score. So tab back over to your quiz. You did not close that tab and hit replay. Rinse and repeat, friends. You will have the students type in their join code right on their screen where you had the Join My Quiz website waiting for them. And we repeat the process for round two of this Fast and Curious run for adding integers. And this is basically it. The students now have it all packed into one lesson. They have not had to move to different tabs or different tech tools. the teaching and the quizzing and the reteaching and the instant feedback, it's all happening right in the Quizizz lesson. I hope you've enjoyed this video, which teaches you how to quiz, lesson, and quiz for the Fast and Curious protocol, all in one Quizizz lesson. Thanks for watching.